Are you moving in Atlanta soon? If you're concerned about finding the right movers, don't worry. We pored over the data and found the top 5 best movers in Atlanta based on thousands of ratings and customer reviews. We'll also cover important details for each company, like their experience, friendliness, flexibility, affordability, and what services they provide. Number 5 is Elite Movers. They come highly recommended by users who know how careful and diligent they are, while still managing to Tetris their way into a very efficient use of truck space. They've been around for 7 years and are also the most affordable on the list, with a minimum total of $180 for 2 hours for 2 helpers, though you can also book 3. Number 4 is haul-lelujah Moving Company. They're popular all around the Atlanta area, with reviews often highlighting their smooth and efficient workflow that often exceeds expectations. They're also well equipped, including hand tools for anything that may need to be dismantled and low rates on optional items like rope or plastic wrap. Of all the companies on this list, they've clocked the most moves with haul-lelujah.com at over 3,000 to date. Number 3 is Liberty Pro Moving. Customers say they're excellent, amazing, and fast, with a courteous and professional staff that's very helpful. They might be the right choice if you've got something last minute. They accept same-day requests at their normal rates. They'll refund any unused time over the minimum, can stay at least 2 hours past booking, and have truck options available. Number 2 is The Right Choice Moving. Reviewers mention their timely and professional work, complete with dollies and a real knack for properly making use of storage containers from pods and 1-800 pack rat. They've got one of the widest service areas in the city and come ready with an array of equipment to make your move smooth and efficient. A relative newcomer with 3 years in the business, they've risen up fast with wide availability 7 days a week. And finally, Ox & Bull Residential and Commercial Logistics. They're hailed as a moving company with great communication and very fast service, with high praise coming from every neighborhood around. They have the widest range of anyone on the list at 100 miles from the center of Atlanta, and the most operating hours, from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. They're also fully ready for piano moves, if you're not sure how you're gonna lug that baby grand around. To recap, Elite Movers is the most affordable, haul-lelujah has a lot of tools and experience, Liberty Pro is very flexible, Right Choice is great with storage, and Ox & Bull has a wide area with great hours. Really, you can't go wrong. They're all rated 4.9 out of 5 stars. And there's lots more to choose from. If you want to get instant transparent prices and book any of these Atlanta moving companies, go to hireahelper.com.